Hello everyone! Today I'm going to making purple yam taro balls. And first the taro had already steamed for 20 minutes. It's weighted under 300 grams. And I used the tapioca starch to make the taro balls. First I'm going to mash the yam. You can use a masher or just use whatever you have in the kitchen. Even you can use a fork or a knife. It's easy to work when the taro is still hot, so easy to mash it. For 300 gram yam, I use about 150 grams starch. Put the starch into the yam. If it's too dry, you can add a little hot boiling water, just a little. The ball is a little too small. I'm going to put it on the surface. Now I'm going to cut the dough into 2 pieces, and working on one piece first, and the other one covered with a plastic wrap to keep the moisture. Now I'm going to rolling this into a log. Still a little big. I'm going to cut in, divide it. Now I'm going to cut into a 1/2 inch small piece. And dump into the starch. Now I'm going to sieve the starch up. And put it aside. I'm going to do the same for the rest. Now we are all cutting them into the small taro balls. I'm going to cover with the wrap and boiling a big pot of hot water. Boil some water in a big pot. The water is boiling. I'm going to put the taro ball into the boiling water. Let it boiling again. And if you make too much for once, and can put it in the bag, put it in the freezer. And use it for next time. While we're cooking for the taro, I'm going to make a big bowl of cold water with ice. It's already 2 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat. And put the taro into the cold ice water. Because the temperature change, it shrink and make it more chewy. I'm going to use some brown sugar to avoid the taro stick together and also give some flavor. You can use the taro as a dessert. I'm going to add some milk. Some cranberry. Just simply eat like this.